Good morning, this is me again for this little bonus video of the place that's across the street. They've been renovating for 3 weeks. This your cameraman, Daniel Drupski, for this little update for January 25th, 2023. And we might get like snow and rain today, and it's about like 8:15 in the morning. I just spotted this by accident. They think they're putting up a gate or something. Yep. Yesterday I did my aftermath or something like that. This is just a little bonus. And we're waiting for like the snow, and I can't go anywhere today. And besides, I do got a cold since yesterday morning. Excuse me. They're putting up this new thing anyway? Yep, maybe a gate. Well, there you have it, folks. That's your little bonus video for January 25th, 2023. Hopefully, I'll give you like a little bit of updates. Please try to comment, subscribe, to ring the bell if you like other construction videos that I've been making for the past 3 weeks and 23 days. In the meantime, this is your cameraman, Daniel Drupski, signing off. We'll see you later for like a little bit more updates. Bye.